Kapil Subhash Chavan. Evision is the best platform for everyone. I was a fresher, and in this module is well structured and organized to develop skill effectively. This is me, Kapil Subhash Chavan from Amravati, Maharashtra. I have completed my B.Sc. Computer Science from Sant Amravati University in 2020. I have joined Evision in 25th July for online internship program. In Evision provide assignments and practice sets. It helped me a lot to increase my IT skill, and also Evision provides mock interview. Also, with the help of the mock interviews, I will gain a confidence to crack the interview. Then I will got a job in HDFC with salary package 2.5 LPA. In the coming two placements, Evision provide hug of placement support to us, and until you get a job, it is a good place to learn online internship and become a developer from the scratch. I strongly suggest Evision to improve yourself and networking skill. Thank you so much.